And welcome to the presentation on complex data types. Here we find the complex data types in SQL. Complex data types are data structures that can store multiple values of different data types, organized in a specific way. These data types are typically used to represent more complex and structured data, such as hierarchical or relational data. There are several complex data types that can be stored and manipulate data. Some of the most commonly used complex data types in SQL are JSON, maps, XML, arrays, geospatial data types, and structs. The first one is JSON. JSON is the full form for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. In SQL, JSON data can be stored in columns using the JSON data type. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is widely used in web applications for storing and exchanging data. In SQL, the JSON data type is used to store JSON documents as a string in a table column. A JSON document is a hierarchical structure that contains key value pairs, arrays, and nested objects. The second data type is maps. Maps are collections of key value pairs. In SQL, maps can be declared using angle brackets, and the data types of the keys and values enclosed within the brackets. In SQL, a map is a complex data type that represents a collection of value key pairs. The map data type allows you to store and manipulate data in a way that allows quick lookups based on a key. A map data type consists of a set of keys and a set of values. Each key in the map is unique, and the value associated with each key can be any data type, such as integer, string, or even another complex data type. The next one we discuss is about the XML. The Extensible Markup Language is a markup language that is used for storing and transferring data. In SQL, XML data can be stored in columns using the XML data type. The extensible markup language is a markup language that is used to store and transport data. It is widely used in various industries including web development, e-commerce, and data exchange. In SQL, XML data can be stored and manipulated using the XML data type. The XML data type in SQL allows for the storage of XML data in a column in a database table. It provides built-in functions for querying and manipulating XML data such as xquery and xpath. Next one we discuss is about the arrays. Arrays are collection of values of the same data type. In SQL, arrays can be declared using square brackets and the data type of the elements enclosed within the brackets. An array is a complex data type in SQL that allows you to store these collection of values of the same data type in a single column. In SQL, arrays are implemented as a list of values enclosed in square brackets. The values in the array are separated by commas. Arrays in SQL also support various functions and operators that allow you to manipulate and query array data, such as array concatenation, array intersection, and array nesting. These functions and operators can be used to perform complex operations on array data, making arrays a powerful tool in SQL programming. The next one we discuss is about the geospatial data types. The geospatial data types, in the name itself, says about the geospatial entities. The geospatial data types are used for storing data related to geographic locations. In SQL, geospatial data types include point, line string, polygon, and multi-polygon. The geospatial data type is often used in applications that involve location-based data, such as mapping applications, transportation, routing, and environmental monitoring. In SQL, the geospatial data type is often implemented using the geometry data type or the geography data type. The geometry data type is used to represent data in a flat coordinate system, while the geography data type is used for represent data on a round surface such as surface of the Earth. The geospatial data type provides a variety of functions and operators that can be used to manipulate spatial data, such as calculating distances between points, finding intersections between geometries, and performing spatial queries. Overall, the geospatial data type is a powerful tool for working with spatial data in SQL and is essential for applications that rely on location-based data. Data type we find is the structs. The structs are composite data types that group related data together. In SQL, structs can be declared using curly braces and a list of field names and their corresponding data types. In SQL, a struct, short for structure, is a complex data type used to represent a collection of fields, each with its own data type. A struct is similar to a record or a class in other programming languages. Once the struct is defined, you can use it to create new columns in tables just like any other data type. In summary, structs in SQL allow you to define complex data types that can be used to represent collection of fields with their own data types and can be used to create new columns in tables and store data in a structured way. Everything about the complex data types in SQL. Thank you.